Oh, this is cool. You can see the different layers of rock like smushed together.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Look at her just standing on this rock. Oh, shit.
Don't fall, babe.
Yeah. That wouldn't be fun. Oh, girl. We went on a little side adventure.
Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Yeah, that way. What's that? Walnut.
We got a whole backyard of those. Lindsay, you want to walk across this key?
Whoa.
Oh, that's pretty with the sun. It's actually, the sun is setting.
Yeah, what time is it? 5:40.
Oh my god, this has been open.
Yeah?
Like, my phone.
Oh, well, be careful.
5:38. Holy shit. Well, I'm glad I didn't drop
Fall
it,
in.
drop it or break it. Lose it. Can you believe Mommy did that to me? She's like, let me off the leash, bitch. Taste the freedom, and now you feel entitled, huh?
This way.
Well, it doesn't really matter, does it?
Does it go to the same spot? Actually, it might actually go to the same spot.
Look, now she's freaking out because you're in front of her. I'm going this way.
I just want to look and see where it goes. Ooh. Bring her. I think that's the turkey backbone up there. So that's where we first came in, I think.
Oh. Yeah, because I do remember seeing like a little stream.
Yeah. And I saw this trail down here. Look at all the fish in that.
Oh my gosh. Hensley, say hi to the fish. Look how flat that is.
Yeah.
Look for rocks.
Look at the map. We're not lost, but I think we're taking a trail that's not on the map.
Well, if we got back on where we were, we probably would be.
Oh, okay, I see.
Okay,
I see.
okay.
So yeah, this is the right part of the trail. We gotta cross the creek right here.
Right here?
Yep.
Alright. Let's go, baby. Ugh. Water spatters. Oh.
Yep, careful. It might be better to cross up there.
Look
Oh,
at her.
there's some stagnant water.
Come on, hen. If Mommy
Something
can
in
do
that
it.
stagnant water.
Ugh. It's black. These times they didn't go in that water. She just went in some swamp water. She's like pulling me. She like wants to be like in front of you.
This way, baby.
Wrong way, hen. Oh, freak
Here,
out.
I'll pull her for a little bit.
Yeah, I think
Or
she
let her
doesn't-
pull me for a little bit.
I think she doesn't like to be behind. There's these big foot out here.
This is the foam water.
Oh, yeah.
Come here.
Come on, hand. It says camping prohibited, but like I'm not sure
Hold her
how
for a
cool it would be.
second. I wonder
like
if
camp
the relief is over here. No, it's not up here. Cool formation though. Sorry, yeah, you said that there's a sign that says no camping
Yeah, and like how cool would it be to actually like camp out here?
on top of the Devil's Backbone.
No.
All right.
Just like even like right here would be cool.
Yeah, next to the creek. That's it. We saw everything. Turkey Backbone, the Woolen Mill and Mill Cut, the Slide, the Devil's Backbone, and Honeycomb Rock.
Come on, baby.
Now we're about to go on about a mile hike back to the truck.